Hey guys. Sorry. Okay, hold on. Let me just fix the camera. There we go. So, a couple weeks ago, I ordered a package, and it's finally here. Oh my god! I can't believe it. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and open it. I have my scissors. I'm gonna open it. Okay. Here's the scissors, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Okay, so here's the first one. It's a mini donut. So cute. Take it out of the packing. Oh my gosh, you guys have no idea how excited I am. And by the way, I'll have like a huge squishy collection. There's 20 in here because we ordered 20 for $10. This was $10. And I think the person was from China all the way to the United States. I don't know. I don't remember how long ago we ordered it. I'm gonna keep these bags. They're so cute. I'm gonna if I not put anything in it. What is this? Is it like a bear? It's a slow riser. Oh, that is so cute. I'm gonna give you like a quick little So cute.
I was livid. I said, you people got a lot of nerve. This is your fucking job.
Almost like that. There's like a lot. I didn't even open it yet, guys. This is. I thought there was another packet in here. I'm like, what the heck? This is what it came in.
It's my responsibility to get this.
Oh, this is so cute. Oh, we got a fast riser. Look. Well, kind of slow riser. I don't really know. It has the things. I don't know if it came with a lot of the hangers. I didn't really look at the bag. I'm just screamed. I'm
Mike at the place.
This is so cute, guys. What?
And Brittany at the place.
Oh, this is totally a fast riser. Look at it. It's so fast.
Neither can the nerds because they don't have the paper size.
Okay, I'm literally freaked. I'm just gonna dump this whole thing out. What the heck? Okay, guys. So the first thing I saw that came out was these keychains. So
I explained the situation to
cute.
them. They contacted Kenny,
Guys.
and they were able to have Kenny transfer.
Let me show you this right now. That is so much, guys. You have no idea how grateful I am. No idea. Just like a happy kid that's excited to open her cookies. Okay.
Except for, the two that I have left.
There's mostly tiny ones, but still they're super cute. They're so cute. And I'm gonna make my mom order me more. Bread. Is this a slow riser? Well, kind of like this one. You can't really tell if it's a slow riser. It's medium. And look, this one's. Oh, wait, is it a fast riser? Yep, it's a fast riser, guys. It is so cute. I have 4 squishies down and then I have 5, 6, 7.
The cab guy's picking me up here between 9 and 9:30.
Okay, 19 more to go.
And so I'll get dropped off down there.
Are there 20?
Probably
1,
right
2,
around
3, 4,
10.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, whatever. I'm just so excited that I got them. Okay. This one is a doggy, guys. Person got a little rip in it, but that's okay.
Reschedule it for the following week and have
It's
it
a
done
cute little puppy.
and then I figured that we can leave there.
It's a slow riser. Look. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This one is so cute. And at the end, I'm going to pick my favorite. If I can, they're all so cute.
Yeah. Yeah,
you guys may never know. In the future, I might do a giveaway.
With Autumn. I told her she needs to tell them doctors that
Look at
Autumn
this, so
needs to be tested because that girl is definitely. She needs to tell them that it runs in the family because ADHD is very hereditary.
Guys,
and all of
look
her
at
kids
it.
have it. I told her, I said, you don't be afraid to tell the doctors.
It's a
You
fast.
guys gotta get your shoes on because we need to go over and get Cheyenne's medicines before she gets home. And then I had
Okay, guys, so I gotta rush this up because I'm not even gonna keep the bags. This cute heart one.
Because I gotta go over.
It's a medium one, kind of. I don't know. Medium? Yeah, it's a slow riser.
For the bedroom door, he doesn't want.
It's a mini one.
Wendy said that it was fine.
It's like the
He's
super
saying that
tiny
it's not
one.
Fine. He doesn't
You see?
want Sophia
You
and
see?
Cheyenne in the
Okay.
same bedroom right now. I go hung it. The case
Look, it's so tiny. And like, is this like?
stuff. He goes,
Ah.
he goes, no, they should not be. He goes, she should be supervised at all times. She should
This
not be
one's
left
like.
alone, unsupervised. She should not be in the, she's
Fast
not in the
rider.
bedroom with anybody right now. I go, I'm not worried about anything happening like that.
Oh my God! Wait, are there? I got two of the same kind, so maybe I'll do a giveaway.
Kids are very weird about the no touching thing, and if she were to ever try something like that, my kids know to come to me and tell me something like that. I go, I'm
Freedom
really
Rider.
not worried about that. He goes,
Guys,
until
like
she
you have
sees
no
me,
idea how grateful I am. Like I don't even know how like much I'm saying. Okay, so there's a bunch of like
you need to do this. So,
same,
So now
like-
I gotta, figure out a way so it doesn't hurt Cheyenne's feelings. I don't want her to feel uncomfortable and to have her feel like she's an outcast. You know what I mean? I don't want that going through her.
Same one.
She's dealing with enough.
no wait, they're not
So
same.
I
One is
gotta
later, one
figure
is
out a way,
darker.
so I'm just gonna tell her, that Sophia isn't feeling good. We're gonna just have to do that and say Sophia's not feeling good. So she's gotta stay with me in the bedroom, and then I gotta put the alarm up on the bedroom door. And that's another. It's like I'm not.
This
doing
is
it.
adorable.
I'll put the alarm up just in case they come here to see that it's on there. And I'm just gonna tell Cheyenne it's a smoke alarm. That's rigged to the fire department so that smoke alarm goes off the fire department and it's going off. But
Same one.
Cheyenne comes into my bedroom, I'm gonna know she's in the bedroom. I'm not worried about it. You know what I mean?
Guys, they're like
I don't think they even.
there's like a couple of the same ones. No, they're really not same ones. Like just except for these two. Wait, what? Yeah, except for these two pandas. I love the one with the faces. They're like so cute.
So I'm not
And
worried about
yeah, I
doing
might
it,
do
but
a
I have to
giveaway
follow
with the
the
two
rules
pandas.
as
That's
it goes
all.
to
Maybe I'll just
her
give away
therapy
one.
appointments with the
But I'm
other
actually
person
gonna order
there,
more squishies
then
just because I
have to
want
follow- I
to.
have to follow the rules. Get your shoes on, guys, so we can go over and pick up the medicine.
Okay, hold on. Let me just finish opening.
What the fuck?
Look
I
at how
go, "Did
cute."
you people wanna throw
So
any
it's
more
like,
shit at me?"
if like you're feeling sleepy, do this one.
Yeah. So
If you're
this is
feeling
what I've
happy
been dealing with
and
all
awake,
fucking
do this
day
one.
on this goddamn fucking phone.
Okay, guys, I'm
And,
actually
they
gonna
can't
hurry.
talk to me at
And whoever sent this to me, thank you so much.
So it's very important.
I'm not gonna say your name, but like, thank you. Like, I'm so grateful on what you sended me. Like, girl, this is a lot of squishy. Do you want to see, guys? And then they got that much more to go. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more to go. But I thought I was gonna get big squishies. But like, that's okay. This is still rising.
So on April 30th, I have to go to Rochester with them for genetic testing. So I got.
These bags are adorable. I have a lot. Like, guys, look at how many bags there are.
I don't think Lori's gonna.
That's how many squishies were in that bag. You're lucky I'm even recording this, guys. Like, it's been like 8 minutes. I don't know if I can like record.
Cheyenne and Sophia. I
Yeah.
have to go all the way to Rochester. So
Oh.
for his testing. So you don't need any of these, right?
No. But these.
Sophia's in her glory. Her little squishy toys came today.
I know, Mommy. Look how cute they
Yeah,
are.
they're real Jesus Christ.
I can't believe it.
I
didn't-
Save them and put them in your Easter basket.
But I was hoping that there's this one. Oh, it's a crab, I think. I don't know. Comment down below if you like the ones that like I didn't get, like that I didn't know. Here's the other kind. Go. Gonna open it. Go ahead and open it. Like, guys, like I was not even expecting it. I thought it was gonna come on next Tuesday, but it just came today. Today's Wednesday. Like, what the heck? I just got home from school and I'm like, what the heck?
Because you should have been doing your fucking job.
This is so cute.
I go, how dare you?
Has like eyeshadow on it or something, but that's okay. I can clean it off.
When you guys took
Okay, last squishy.
her session,
I'm capturing this moment. 10 minutes. I don't. Yeah, that's not bad. At least it's not like an hour, right? Like, guys, look how cute this is. Hold on, where's my other one? There's so much I can't even find my other
I
one.
could have had those
There it is.
medicines picked up and brought here. Oh God, I was so fucking mad. My whole body.
Squishy Glory. Oh my gosh, guys, look. Squishy glory. It's like thousands of squishies smushed together. Like, guys, look at all this. There you go. This is like so much. Like, girl, I thought you were like gonna send me like 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Hold on, guys. I gotta count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 20. She sent me 20. Like, guys, look at this. They all might stick to each other. I'm going to bring one to the store, literally. Literally. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, what the heck? Enjoy it. So, thank you guys so much for watching my squishy, I don't know, unboxing my squishies. I'm looking at you guys.
That's if the guy's running on time.
Oh, it's hiding from me.
Getting out here.
If you
so
like this video,
her
make sure you give
drop-off
it a
time
thumbs
is
up,
supposed to be 5.
subscribe,
And
and turn on notifications so you never miss a video
so
that
6 o'clock. So
I
I'm thinking
post.
probably closer to 6:15, maybe 6:30.
And also, if you didn't know this already, peepers, if you do the subscribe button, your unicorn horn will grow. And if you give it a like, it will make your unicorn horn grow, and it will make me smile, and will make me do more videos. Yay! And comment down below if you have any squishies and if I should do a giveaway, because like, if you comment down below if you liked or subscribed, you could do a free email and I'll pick somebody and I will do a next video and tell the person who deserves the free squishy, this one. Yes, this is the squishy I'm giving away. But hopefully everybody watches this. Bye!